All right, as well this afternoon, I'm going to prove to you that 0 equals 1. Believe it or not. And I'm going to do this by using a series. A series is the sum of a sequence. Yesterday we did the Fibonacci sequence. If you add up all those numbers, that's called the Fibonacci series. So this would be a good introduction to what we're doing today. So, proof. Left side is equal to 0, which is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, etc. Right? You agree with that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but every 0 on the right-hand side is 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. It doesn't matter how many I write here, but I guess I've got 6 of them, so that's 6. Doesn't matter. Now, in other words, if you group these two, that's 0, that's 0, that's 0, that's 0. So I guess I'm short one, but it doesn't matter. That's true. But I don't need those brackets, as I just said, and I can group those numbers differently. So I can group, for example, the second and the third ones. So it's 1 plus minus 1 plus 1 plus, if I group these two, minus 1 plus 1 plus minus 1 plus 1, forever and ever. Amen. So just keep going. But what's that equal to? If I do that up here, I get 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus a whole bunch of zeros. And we know that the zeros add up to 0, so that's equal to 1. QED, big fat check mark, or better yet, smiley face. And now you know that 0 equals 1. Right? It's got to be. I just proved it.
No.
No? What's wrong?
There's always a extra negative 1.
Well, there's always an extra -1, -1, +1 to infinity. There's an infinite number of numbers. So it's not just an extra -1. It goes forever, and they're all equal to 0.
If it goes to infinity, then plus
Yeah.
1's going to be cancelled.
They're all zeros. Infinity. The problem with infinity is all sorts of weird things happen when you're dealing with infinity. So, looks like 0 equals 1.
No, I think what you did was infinity plus 1 there.
Infinity plus 1?
Can you do that?
Well, infinity plus 1 is infinity, but I don't have infinity plus 1. I have a whole bunch of zeros plus 1.
Infinite zeros plus 1.
Infinite zeros is still 0. Think about it. Okay, one more proof. It's just, you stopped it, right?